No, thank you so much. So, just a question about the DVR. We just take that in there and they'll switch out the box for us? Okay, great. Well, thanks so much, sir, and you have a great day. Great night. Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Daddy.
Are you reading, baby? Okay, go read. Oh, where's Mickey Mouse? Show mommy where's Mickey.
There.
Where?
There.
Let me see. You wanna read for mama? Go read, baby. Cool book.
Now it's done.
Oh, where's the microphone?
There.
Show mommy.
There.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Oh no.
What?
Dude,
That's a lot. Where's Sparkly? Show
There.
mommy where is Sparkly.
there.
Oh, good boy.
There.
Where's Donald Duck? Where's Donald?
Eating.
Dad, turn down a little bit. Please read it. Oh, where's Pete? Where is Pete? Wow. Oh, where's the monkey?
There.
Right there, yeah.
Daddy.
Oh, frog. Is that frog? Frog?
There.
Oh, monkey. Yeah. That's right. Go show mommy where is Donald Duck. Where's Donald?
There.
Oh, there's Sparkly right there beside Donald. Yeah. Sleep. Say night night, Donald.
There.
Wow. Where? Oh, there's Sparkly. There you are, Sparkly. What does Sparkly say?
There.
That's a monkey. Where's Sparkly say?
There.
No, starfish.
Mm.
That's it?
Babe.
No? Cool, right?
Mm. 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 There.
Don't rip it. Don't do that. I love you.
She's not allowed to speak unless spoken to. She has to serve everyone around her, and she's often punished. They beat me. They hit me when I do something that's not right.
Avan,
I don't want to think about it.
say hi, baby. Reading book? Are you reading?
But there are hundreds of thousands of children in Haiti who live in slavery like Nika. The government acknowledges this
Bless
and
you.
says it is part of the culture. In neighborhoods like this one, they can be seen everywhere.
Show mommy where's the cars. You wanna read a card? There. Your book with a card. Show. Where did you put it?
Here, they're forced to work.
Where?
And in many cases, they're beaten.